chuck?
What the chuck? Yeah, I'm recording.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I guess. Now they're watching it again.
What's that?
It sounds like a monkey. I'm recording, sweetie. I'm not thinking.
Oh. What was I gonna say? Oh.
What's a chuck?
I want to suck your blood.
I want to suck your blood.
What's the other one?
Glitter tits?
Don't let glitter tits fool you, ladies.
What? What did you say?
Don't let glitter tits fool you.
Yeah. Twilight.
Let's do Dr. Vanessa. Now. What should I say?
How does that make you feel?
What makes me feel what?
Say it. What am I?
Vampire.
What?
Vampire.
Louder.
Vampire.
Wait, is that how it goes? No. Wow.
It says, okay. Say it. Say it out loud.
Oh yeah, there it goes out loud.
I know every single word of Twilight.
So does my friend.
Say it. Say it out loud.
What? Oh.
Say it. Say it out loud. Are you afraid? I'm telling you the lines.
What am I supposed to say?
Hold on, what was I gonna say? What did I say right now?
You order me? I don't know.
It goes, are you afraid of me?
You order me?
You won't hurt me.
Oh. You won't hurt me.
Come on.
Where are we going?
Up the mountain, around the cloud bank. I need you to see what I look like in the sun.
Okay. Wait, you need to give me a ride. Just give me a piggyback ride.
Up the mountain. And then it says say wow.
Wow, like those glitter tits.
This is what I look like in the sun.
Nice glitter tits, ladies. Get at that. Oh my god, that was funny.
We should do that our own. I dare you to put it on my YouTube.
That's going on YouTube.